Hello everyone. Good morning all. So after some requests I am preparing a video about how to install SQL Server and how to download SQL Server. So let me first go to the Google and then write download SQL Server. Then it is gives the first link as a Microsoft one. Then we have to go inside the that link, and then after that we need to go to the developer version, which is free one, and in that we need to click on download now button. Then it will download some kind of exe in your download folder. Then you have to go to the download folder, and then you need to start to install that exe in your system. So let me do yes over here. So it will give us this kind of uh, information. From this over here we need to click on the basic installation, which is more than enough for our practice purpose, and then we need to do install. It will take few minutes, so you need to wait for some time. Okay, it is downloading install packages. So, for this version of SQL Server, you must have Windows 10 or Windows 11 in your system, and it should be good if this your system should be some high configurations. So it is almost done. Please wait for some time. Okay, it is about to complete. Now it is extracting setup files. So it will take some time again. So meanwhile, I will show you that I have my YouTube channel, as you all know, and I am preparing some re- interview questions, real time scenario interview questions, which is asked in different MNCs. So please, if you want to move into the data field, or if you are a fresher in SQL or working in some other domain, and if you want a job in data analyst, data engineer, or data scientist, then please subscribe to my channel and do like, share, and comment on all the videos if you like it. So installation packages are still installing. It will take some time. Meanwhile, I will show you the playlist over here. So I have created different playlists for fresher level. Suppose if you are a fresher in data field, then this playlist is purely applicable to SQL freshers. Then if you have 0 to 3 years of experience or medium level of experience, then this playlist will be applicable for them. And if you have more than 5 years of experience, then this playlist will be applicable for them. And this real time scenario is applicable for everyone, but most probably this one is applicable for freshers. And I have started creating the case studies in SQL Server as well, so it will be helpful for any level of experienced candidates. Let me go to this installation. It is still installing. Okay, I think it is still installing. Maybe in this installation process, maybe your computer maybe restart few times. So just go through the process only and don't pause or don't kill any process in between. It may not successful your installation if you do so. And this is my LinkedIn profile. I have more than 26,000 followers and around 20,000 connections, and many of them are of data professionals. So they are in, even I am sharing very good information on my LinkedIn profile frequently. So it will be helpful if you connect with me on LinkedIn as well. And I have kept my YouTube channel link over here, so you will go through my YouTube channel from here as well. So installation is going on. That's why I'm telling all these things. Let it be installed. And there is one more thing, guys. From today onwards, I am starting my SQL live classes for SQL to, sorry, for freshers to mid level of experienced candidates, as well as those candidates who are working in other domain or non IT background. So it will be very useful for them. And I am conducting everything on live, and all my live classes will be, I will put in my YouTube channel. So it will be, you can go to my YouTube channel, and you can go through the videos, which will be very helpful for everyone. It is about to install only. Please wait for 2 minutes. I think it will take only 2 more minutes. Till now, I have uploaded around 37 videos overall, and I will be uploading on a daily basis. So it will be a great chance for you. Now installation has completed successfully. You know that over here instance name uh, is there, then which is our local host, SQL server, then administrator, uh, then SQL engine, media folder, wherever SQL server is installed, all, and what is the version. So all this kind of thing has been over here. You can take the screenshot for any future purpose. And now after that, you have to install the SSMS. You have to click on install SSMS button. So it will go to this download SQL Server Management Studio, and from here you need to download SQL Server. So let me try to find where it is. Okay, you can download over here SQL Server Management Studio, and then free download for SQL Server Management Studio. You can click over here. So it will again download SSMS in your download folder of the system. Then go to this download folder. I think it is still downloading. Yes, it is still downloading. You can see over here. Let it be completed. So I think it is completed now. Now there is one setup over here. You can see SSMS setup ENU. You have to double click on that. It is opening. Please wait for some time. Okay, so it is opened. Now you have to click on the install button. If you want to change the path, then you can go over here in change button and give another path. But let me try to click on install. Then you have to do yes over here. So it is loading packages. Please wait for some time. And this SQL Server Management Studio is installing with Azure Data Studio. So through Azure Data Studio also you can connect with your database engine which we have installed earlier, right? So which we have installed earlier, that is our database engine, and this is a user interface through which we can connect with our database engine. So let it installed. It will again take some time. I think it is still installing. Wait for some time. It is almost done. It is almost done. Please wait. Please wait. Let me do a refresh. So, Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio with Azure Data Studio is installed. Restart required in order to complete setup. All specified components have been installed successfully. The component needs to be restarted before setup can continue. So, thank you so much, guys. This is the process I have explained how to install SQL Server as well as SQL Server Management Studio in database engine. So now I am restarting my system to complete the installation process. So if you have any doubt, you can directly WhatsApp me or you can message me on LinkedIn or you can comment on my videos in YouTube. I will upload this video on YouTube. Thank you.